Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Who for respect who? Are the wife for respect the husband or the husband for respect the wife? What you think? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell. For make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right so 5 o'clock every morning, Jamaica time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the first letter from Peter, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 7. As same so all our wife must listen to husband and do what them say when if do. That way there, if they no believe in a God word, then we start believe just sake of how uno a go on. Uno wouldn't even have to say a thing to them. Cause then we see how uno respect them and see say uno really a live for God. Uno no fi depend on the fancy hairstyle them. Our gold chain, bangle and all sort of fandangle for make uno self look good. And uno no fi depend on the fancy dress them neither. Instead of them sitting there, uno fi watch uno art. Oh, uno art tan. And that really make uno look good. When somebody gentle and quiet, and that look good can done. And that a go last forever. And that really matter to God too. The woman them in the past, where did I live for God and where did trust him for do all when same I go do? As so they used to make themselves look good. They listen their husband and do what their husband tell them for do. Pan Sarah, she do what Abraham tell her for do. And she call him her master. And uno a fear daughter if uno do it right and afraid of nothing. As same so, the husband them fi live good with their wife and think about them same like how God see them. Uno know already say they not strong like a uno and then can't go do all of what uno can do. So understand that and respect them. Cause the same special life where God so good and kind for give uno, him give them too. So make sure so you treat them right. So uno can pray how uno suppose to pray. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.